Welcome to Building with Bud. We're actually today going to start laying bricks. We've been on a job while now where we've had one or two issues we've had to sort out, namely being this old house you can see there, which is very old. It's got no footings, and when we dug down to build this extension we found an existing footing, and we couldn't really chance breaking up because we didn't want a place to fall down. So the engineer came up with this 6.5 metre pair of steels. We're encased it in concrete and then we've got to build on it. Let's get it on. Bricky number one is cracking on. He's sweating. It's about 8 in the morning. I already drunk a bottle of water myself, but that's because I'm an old fogey. But we're actually glad just to be getting some bricks down. Lovely. Rob chilling. Just to interrupt our video, Evolution Power Tools are offering our viewers a promo code when you buy stuff online off Evolution, and the code is BWB. BBBB. And we'll take some of this out because we've got another steel going in here, but we need to build this to get where we need to get to the top. Use my brand new stabiler. Oh, that's lucky. Give that one in. Put a bit in there, give us a start. Get that in there. And you've got to remember, this is only to get us up to height. It's not got to be seen, so you can do a bit of grasp on this. Beep, 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 beep. Why does a river flow red? That old toilet monster, he's now coming up on the rails now. He was in and out, whereas before he used to take quite a while. He was the new boy, wasn't he? You are? You know what he's doing. I don't think he really cleaned it. He's just that other chap give him his due. He do clean a mean toilet, don't he? Everything. I mean, he cleaned the paper. Yeah. He cleaned the paper, he cleaned the tissues, he don't miss a trick, boy. I all get it. He's thorough. Bit of artwork for the day. There we go. Brin. They never talk about that thing camping. Yeah, you never talk about it.
They're bringing another one out now, isn't it?
Have they?
So keep doing Christmas special. Yeah, doing another one for this year.
I do like that. That cracked me up, man.
Explicit views tonight that they've been.
Right, point this up. Come as you are, as a friend. Here we go. Right, 2 8, 2 8, 2 8, 6, 3, 5, 8 5, 3 5, 8 5. We've got to put 2 here. We've got to put a steel post in, and we've got to put another one up here. Can't find my pencil. Regroup. Back on the road again. Wear different clothes again. Beep 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 beep. The pocket's clean. Getting to know you again. Nice full joints. Bee. Full joints, full joints. I've got a sparrow on my line. Yeah, put it in the skip, boss. Just get rid of it. It's a waste of time. That was a waste of time when it was good. Woohoo! It's me, Kathy. I've come home.
What I'm going to do is leave the run over there.